It's going to be Florida. Florida just has way too much depth. They've all obviously had a little bit weaker schedules these past 10 games. But yeah, Florida is just so deep, man. Like, I saw a stat the other day. They have three of the top four picks from whatever year Barkov was drafted. It was like Barkov, Bennett, and Reinhardt, I think. They just have so much depth, and they're the reigning Stanley Cup champs. Leafs are going to choke it as per usual. I don't believe in Vasilevsky. Um, it's going to be Florida.